What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ricky Guevara here again, and I wanted to just talk about a little topic about something that I thought the barber community had a problem with, or was difficult for the barber community to solve. You know, I could come up here and just talk to you about problems I've had with clippers, or how to solve things when using booking apps, or how to deal with clients. But I kind of thought about it, and I kind of want to bring something else to attention that deals with what we're going through right now. As you guys know, we are currently in a global pandemic. We are dealing with the whole coronavirus thing, and the United States really has been impacted super crazily. I'm from California. You guys may or may not have known that, but here in California, it's on straight lockdown. We're back in phase 1 after going back and forth between multiple phases. We're back to stage 1, and that means the shops and everything barber related is currently closed. So what do you expect from, a career that depends on people coming into these places? How are shop owners supposed to survive? How are barbers, or hairstylists, cosmetologists, how are they supposed to make a living when we can't open, we can't do our services, we can't do anything, and we're not getting answers, we're not getting any help, we're not getting no funding? It's just extremely difficult, and it's very frustrating. What we have a problem with that, I'm not here to say it's wrong for certain things to be open and certain things to be closed. That's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about why we don't have answers. The barber community literally reaches out for help. It's asking questions, and we are not hearing anything back. So what is our problem? Our problem is that we licensed barbers, cosmetologists, hairstylists, we're certified in this stuff. We know how to sanitize. We go to school and get our certification in sanitizing, in preventing illnesses or transmitting illnesses. Like, I just don't understand why our certifications aren't backing that. Like, it makes no sense. Like, why am I going to school? Like, why am I going to get this license? Dealing with a global pandemic, we don't really deal with that on a day-to-day basis, year-to-year basis, or I know this is a crazy time, but the least you can do is just give us an answer. I would take that into consideration, and I think that's the first step in solving that problem, and giving us an answer, and responding or getting back to hundreds and thousands of people who are in this industry that are just looking around helpless because we don't know what to do. Maybe start there, take into consideration that we are licensed professionals and we know how to deal with this, we know how to control it, we know how to maintain it, and we should be doing this on the regular. So I don't understand how we're not able to open. I don't know. Literally realizing that we get our certificate, we get certified, we are licensed professional. That's all I have to say about this. I just wanted to speak on it, and hopefully things get better. And I'm not saying Newsom's gonna see this, but I just wanted to make it known I have a voice, and hopefully this passes over soon so we can get back to our regular lives. It's your boy Ricky Guevara. I just wanted to touch a topic on that just because someone had asked me about a problem that we could solve, and what bigger problem than to tackle the one that's got us shut down right now. Hopefully that inspired someone out there, But we'll see what happens.